everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are trying something a bit different and doing Wattsons Copycat Veggie Curry. Just so you know, this recipe is for 2 people. To begin with, we need 1 cup of rice. It does say to rinse this until the water is running clear. It does also suggest doing this on the hob with a pinch of salt for 12 to 15 minutes. I just stuck mine in the rice cooker. Personally, I like to get everything chopped first, so we have 1 onion, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 carrot peeled and cut into bite-sized pieces, half a red bell pepper. I didn't see the point in wasting it, so I just put the whole one in, 1 small zucchini, which is a courgette, and 1 small head of broccoli. There is also a 1/4 cup of frozen peas later. I just used a tin because you might have seen before, we use like HelloFresh or Gusto, depending on what's the best deal. So I just got a tin and froze what was left over. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love hearing from all of you and what you would like to see next. So while the rice is cooking, we're going to skim the coconut cream off the top, which is kind of the fatty bit. Add it to the wok with red curry paste. That is 2 tablespoons. Obviously check your brand, whichever one you use. Some are worse, spicier than others. Mine, I couldn't really taste it. I could have done with another 1 or 2 just as a pre-warning. And then once that has come to the boil, bring it down to a simmer. We are then going to add our onions and garlic and sweat that for 5 minutes, and then add your carrot, bell pepper, the courgette and broccoli and stir it well to combine. Saute on all sides, pour the rest of the coconut milk in and then bring it to the boil and simmer again for 5 minutes. Once you've simmered it for 5 minutes, we will be adding the 1/4 cup of frozen peas. I think mine didn't look like enough, so I added probably another 1/4, so I've got about a 1/2 cup in mine as well. And then again, simmer for another 5 minutes. Season to taste with lime juice and soy sauce. It's suggesting 1/2 a lime and 1 to 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. And then garnish with cilantro, which is coriander.